because your law is only as strong as your society's development. So if society changes, the law kind of has to change as well. I'm Bramley Lemine. I'm originally from Ocean View, but I currently live in Kuils River. I am an environmental law lecturer at the Cape Peninsula University of Technology. I teach environmental law to chemical engineers. I look at the regulatory framework. Through my collaboration and conferencing, I've realized that there was a specific gap. Because currently in South Africa we are losing wetlands, and worldwide it's declining rapidly. And the issue then is that if we lose that, we lose various species, we lose access to food security, water or clean water, and housing for some, not just for specific species or animal species, but also humans that use these as well, especially in a South African context. My focus is therefore on looking at the legal steps that must be taken as a way to then improve the management and then also stop the progressive loss of wetlands. Because of my background in teaching and research, I was fortunate to have published some research on wetlands resources management, again from a law perspective. So Parliament has cited one of my papers as a way of improving. So they realize there's this issue when it comes to wetlands management. But what I like specifically is not that they use my work, but more that they now realize how the law can be used. Even my PhD study, I've tried to bring some synthesis to say these are the gaps and these are ways of how we could possibly fix this issue, is definitely through collaboration and keeping in time with developments in society, because your law is only as strong as your society's development. So if society changes, the law kind of has to change as well. So for instance, more recently is a discussion about citizen science, which is sometimes confused with participatory democracy. And citizen science is basically, we are using citizens, our day-to-day people who live in and around the wetlands area, to help scientists, or I would say qualified scientists, to then collect data, to analyze data, but with that interconnectivity of disciplines, sciences, and also including people not only in decision making, but also as part of the body of scientists. So with Tekano, I feel with the health equity aspect, it sits not only in health for all of us, because a healthy wetlands means a healthy community, but it's a community. It's not just for a specific group of people or a specific category of or class of persons, it's for everyone. So if our wetlands are healthier, then as a nation, as South Africa, and as we delve into, stretching through Africa, because that's what the wetlands, with my research I discovered, we have all these goals, SDGs, Agenda 2063, it connects all of us. And the wetlands taps into that because it connects us as Africa, as a continent, as well as South Africa. So that really excites me. So I feel that Tekano has the ability not only train me or nurture that skill, but because of what I've seen and experienced other people do and the similar type of work, I believe that it's really a fitting fellowship for me.